Yeah, makes fun, right? I mean, to have no microphone on, better say, having a microphone not even on your head. Alright. So... where are all these stuff? Not even this one is on. That's because I baking nearby, right, and pisses me off when I'm just doing a stream and oh gosh, it's so loud. Forgetting maybe this one. Oh, we live, yeah. And I didn't care actually here right now because, you know, I'll be doing Need for Speed Pro Street. So Heat. Proing up your ass. 4 minutes already. That's not so worse. Just 4 minutes lost. Everything else again, right? Ooh, dude. Or did I? Hold on. This is so unfair. What is it? I just make a joke. Sagen wir mal zu den Japsen. Meanwhile, oder? Zu den Japsen.
Meanwhile, URL.
Here we go, it works. Five a-holes, I hide my life of love. Live life of if oh shit, what the hell is that? Okay, wenn du schon selber nicht mehr weißt, was du geschrieben hast, oder? Oder vielleicht einfach nicht fähig bist, das gerade zu lesen. Ich glaube, das ist wieder voll. Riecht's nach Kroketten, Alter. The same today, right? I just played, I think it was Mortal Kombat, right? Mortal Kombat, yeah, I just played it on P2. I tried actually to do on Definition CP, like what we doing in here right now. And I fucked completely up. So after 20 minutes, after 20 minutes, I just, you know, played that game. Found out, oh my god, where the hell I am. Warum steht jetzt hier nur noch CarX Drift Racing? Was heißt das Drift? Jetzt haben die das geändert oder was? Jetzt so CarX Highway Racing, Drift Racing 2. Das stimmt überhaupt nicht. Drift Racing 2 ist nicht das, was ich spiele. Warum? Die haben das wirklich geändert. Das heißt jetzt wirklich CarX. Das gibt's ja nicht, oder? Ich kann gerne nochmal schauen. Das heißt nicht mehr online. CarX Drift Online Racing heißt es normalerweise. D.R.O. Ne, Drift Racing Online. Entschuldigung. Hä? Warum haben die das geändert? I'm just out 18 hours of that game and they changed the title on YouTube. This is not Drift Racing. This is CarX Drift Racing Online, goddammit. They're now thinking Drift Racing 2 is a new edition of Drift Racing Online. No, it's not. It's a single player shit. And you can do, okay, online as well a bit, but not like in here. Oh, come on, get back that title, y'all. What my other games are called now? Drift Racing? This is not Drift Racing. Can they read? Was a child or something. Definitely a child. For fuck's sake. Give me that stuff. Oh, we don't can read it in here. Damn it. Damn it. What about this one? God damn it. Here we go. CarX Drift Racing on the motherfucking line. And these are actually the Russian guys that just have something to do. How the hell they just want to change that? That makes me angry. Definitely. Sure, of course. I'm playing this since 2.5 years, you know, and I know what I'm playing. It's like your child is calling you firstly Melina or something. Just kidding. Hey, it's a hot name, right? And then after that, Berta or something. Instead you're saying then, Berta, get over here to the table and just eat your soup or something, right? That makes very much sense. Yeah. So I'm playing CarX D.R. versus D.O. Are you fucking with me? Even the title CarX Drift Racing Online is in here. Even the console says. Yourself. This is so fucked up. Drift Racing. I can't change it. There's no option. I may online. I just type in online. Here we go. Nothing changes. You sucker. I can't change it. They're thinking this is a 1 year later game called Drift Racing 2. They have no idea what they just broke in here. Crazy, right? And I think I'm just making the oven off. It's a bit too hot for me, you know. And I'm going to the toilet and having some, you know, doodle butter to do. Hello? Kann man schon anlassen. Das wird schon von selber. Wenn schwarz ist fertig. Ich lieb das. Wenn schwarz ist, dann glaube ich, ist fertig. Ja, dann lassen wir nochmal 10 Minuten laufen. Der Feuerlöscher macht's dann schon. Halt mal meinen Finger. Your ass. Oh. Hm? Oh. Ich schalte mal lieber aus. Muss Schokolade oder so. Ja, klar. Läuft auch flüssig hinten raus, oder? So. Was muss jetzt du da wieder runterfallen? Aniska. Annie. Oh. Warum ist das Wasser nicht warm? Oh. Das gefällt mir doch. Es wird warm. Der Donnerstag haben wir schon blank. Mit den 3-mal rüberlaufen und den Scheiß und nochmal hier und hast dich nicht gesehen und vorbereitend für ein und so, ne? War ein arschiger Tag. Wortwörtlich. Meine Kleidung stinkt immer noch am Asche. So, ich drehe aber mal ein bisschen runter hier. So. Ohio. Konbanwa. Time actually for that Orangeliqour to drink with cola. Trying if this works. This is us. You know, actually, I'm just a little bit surprising myself before. What do you want from? My cell phone. Oh my gosh, didn't I? Here we go. What did I just wrote? Hell, oh no way. What's wrong, cell phone? Oh. Your fingers are too fat. Dial again.
Hello.
Dial again. Tekken? Oh, oh my god, there's the songs. Ooh. And yeah, there was some song they called Tekken on YouTube. 2013? Can we play that back? Oh my god, we can. Oh, crack, man. Yay! Then you're pressing again. Oh, we got this somewhere. Eh? You have to press up to get down. Google proved. Now I have hickings before starting actually drinking. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. And there even the name on it. Why I'm going down with the D-pad and it goes up? Go the hell! Oh my gosh. What is worse? Hey, hello. It's really pain. Hey, you pressing up and it's going down. It's going down when you're pressing. Hold on, this is so fuck me up. Okay, I know this guy, but ever the 8. Okay, that's new. Or Spotify. Ever the 8 or ever 8D. Ever the 8, yeah, it's a Chinese dude. Everything in its right. Let's see. I need my earbuds, goddammit. Oh hell. Let's see. Music. Okay. Now trying to find the music. Game out. Good on. Wow. I can play it. Why? Huh. There we go. Don't find it. Again, some tracks I don't play. That's weird. Let's try the other one. Falls late hard. Let's try this one. Nope, don't. Okay, they say this is the dude, right, that just actually played that song. Well, I even can't find actually that track. How? Silence is gold. Takes time actually to listen to music. Sorry for that one. No. Man. Okay. Okay, that is from 2019 now. Game came 2010, 17 now, right? Ich finde diese Tracks nicht von ihm, die hier angeblich drin sind. Warte mal. Radio. Seems to be he's from Alaska or something. There is Car Drift Racing 2 and they have something on there. Russian, he's Russian. 2019 he appeared. Here. In Car Drift Racing 2. Our game to play on iPad. Oh my god, what are you doing? That's new. iPad, man. Alright, whatever. Checking on my oven and then restarting up. Even I don't even want to play, but I need to. Alright. Good. I think done. But it's Saturday and Sunday is the last day, and you know, the work starts, and I not even know where we're actually working on Monday. Just be there at 7 o'clock, something like that, and 50 minutes after in the morning time. Your ass, right? So what is actually vodka and where's the orange liquor? Oh. Ah, can be vodka. Oh, the microphone. That was close. That's definitely the orange liquor. Okay, let's try this one first. Wow. Da ballert das Hirn raus. Oh, für deine Wahnsinn. Hui. Okay. Yeah. It's always the orange liquor. It's shooting off there or something. I can't explain. Oh. Oh. Beer. Cheers up, Pepper Shop is released with Vodka and Ejay next stream. What the hell are you looking at? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, dang, man. Oh, are you okay? Shit. Just nuked. Yeah. Whatever. It's just the background of the game. Oh, still the controller works. No. So we're doing all the cars and then we're going online, huh? Or are we going now online? Is that your favorite car? Yeah, why not? Do you have some problems? No, I'm talking to myself. Still have his Costa Rare as well. This was. And the cell phone's going crazy. 14 of 16. Here we go. Ah, free money bullshit, dude. I already got the 77 million now after some month. Can't decide. Let's go. Keep on moving. I hate to decide. Earplugs. Oh, daylight, huh? It's night. Oh my gosh. Gosh, what's wrong in here? Oh my god. 250 seconds, 30 milliseconds. Oh my gosh. What happened? Can't play like that. Oh my god, I got eye cancer, dude. How'd they get together? 122, it's getting better, somehow. Beer, beer, beer. More beer. Oh, look at that, I got a 999. This is a joke, right? Alright. Shut up. Oh, 420, huh? Das kleiner Schnitzel, Alter, den gibt's auch noch. Ich glaube, ich hänge. Wo bin ich denn hier gelandet? Alter. Schon öfters. Keep on moving, man. Over the 999 is so nice to looking at. This off motorhome. Oh, it's set into 2, right? There's nobody want to play it anyway. Professional. Lady. Oh, the music is on, right? Oh gosh, no. Especially the hater songs. Cars coming. Somewhere. Oh, look at that! Okay, well, what we have now on point. Simple. A shitty number. Okay. Hold on, I just want to make the music off. It's disgusting. Sometimes they're good, but the most time it's always the same crack. Oh, and 100% as well. Okay, okay. Definitely let it on. Because if you listen to music over the earplugs, playing the game with the headset, sometimes it makes crazy stuff, you know. Do it again. Just waiting. That. I'm just gonna get someone off. Why? I don't speak Koreanish. I'm sorry for that. Well, I don't know what his name is, or you know. Time for vodka and rum. No, that's better. Hello? Okay. What the fuck was that? Never happened before. 66, huh? Lucky numbers you got today. Oh, crack, man. This is not a record for that stuff. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, you can wait a long time. He's disqualified. He's not there anymore. Hello? That's a crack. She's never ending. Let's try again. Maybe just change the car or something. That's why I hate online stuff. I just try to drink. That before. I'm touched by other cars. Oh my god, no, get away. Have a nice night. Or something. Man, what's seriously clipping here as hell? 600? What is wrong? He's just from North. Where does he come from? From Moon? Oh my gosh. How's the wife even in here? What's the other guy? He just fucked up. He's not there. Oh, he's there again. Pop, 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 pop. -7. As I say, he changed the course. Let's watch. Oh, sure, shall we? Okay, there he is. Good jacket. My car's there. My gosh, I can't play like that. Oh my gosh. What the hell is wrong with you, man? She better get off the track, man. Easy now, easy now. Dang. Oh no, you're not getting in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I thought I came good. Alright. Where is he anyway? He fucked up himself as well. Shit. See how many points we already had. $112? Alright. Is that the vodka stuff? Okay, should yeah, it is. Oh hell. Well, that makes just drunk, but actually not satisfied for your thirsty problem. I can't believe that's Saturday right now. Oh gosh. That's the thirsty stuff. Oh, here we go, also. Sequel still works. Crazy. Do it again. Hear the music. Oh gosh, get on. Got a little wallet thing? Oh, somebody else? No? Oh man, it's too perfect. Can't do it with this vehicle. That's not a precision machine. It's just a beast. This crack. Oh, it could win in here. Japanese or something? Why? Hell no. Hello? Starting up to hear voices or something. Ah, it's the other guy again. It's like we married already 20 years, right? And yes, I'm doing right now the vodka and cola. My gosh, here we go. There's a proof, goddammit. Shut up. Why that? Ridiculous? Just why? I don't get it, man. Oh, here's the music. Why is it only in here possible? Good thing we don't mix this up. Oh shit. I think I have to change the call, man. I'm not satisfied with the music. I'm more like sacrifice with this vehicle. Got some problems with your vehicle? Oh yeah, he got... Oh my god, what's wrong? He started... Oh my gosh, can I do something? I just need to go. Need to go. Go, 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 go. Oh yeah, you're creative, eh? I'm getting creative as well when I'm drunk and, you know, the next day and so. Just kidding. Hold on a second. Time is always running out in these games. Ah, this is not a good course. Dude's at 28, man. Maybe it isn't so bad. Great enough photos. I've seen stupid hard there. And was a What your name on is that my English sucks right now. Hey, come on, I stand up actually since a half hour right now. Okay, I lied. For an hour, it just ended up already 37 minutes already in the stream. It's Saturday. You know. Monday starting to work again. Alright, I'll give you a try. Can you just,
Okay. Try to post it in the community.
Oh, my English sucks, seriously.
It is not a problem, bro. ILL enjoy watching you play.
Gosh! Where are my fingers at? Oh my god.
Thanks, he first placed. My English, gosh.
Somehow, they just say...
Community HMM,
Oh, no.
no one
I'll enjoy watching you play.
somehow.
Oh, you do? Oh, man, I'm in a hurry. Okay, well, what's next? Yeah, earplugs, of course. Hesitating. Hey, man. What's with the RX-8? Turn it off, man. Hello. Oh, this is not gonna be well good. No, this car can't do. Oh, like, it can't even turn the car. Yeah, what about that one? Hold on. Easy now. Easy. Okay, and now a little bit backward. Closer. Oh shit, too close! This I hate. Seriously. Oh, what happened here? Oh my god. Good morning. I think I have too much of these vodka and cola there. And there's another one, right? There's this Orangeliqour and I don't know what is vodka now, or you know. Ugh. I mean, the vodka is the best, but the orange juice, liquor, boah, oh gosh. Ganz schön hinterfotzig, heißt die das auf Bayerisch. Okay, let's just something. We're not moving, right? What the hell? This is not a car meeting. This is a gangbang session in here. Oh. 14 millisec. Why you got a 13?
I loved watching you enjoy play this drinking.
Shit. The hell? Oh, look at that, 19900. At the beginning, I was getting a 999 as I stopped by. The first run was a 66 in the beginning before run into that clipping.
Gel, I found your
That is weird.
YouTube channel, man. Emoji red hard.
You still didn't have actually a 1.5 mil. That's why he's so good. Gail, I found your saves. Alright. I didn't do... No, I didn't. Okay, you know, you can actually find it on the information. There is a text document actually you can download. And normally there are all my saves still in there and you can still download it. But it's not more present on the download section, you know, that's the problem. What can it mean? Tie? No, it's fitting, right? Ha. Alright, let's keep on moving. Getting a little bit aggressive, huh? Oh, that music is awesome. Shut up, kampagne, schwarze Silber, so willst Goldbrust, die schnell spielen. Ah, there's nothing, man, right? Nah! It's just a stand of blood. What the hell? Nosebleed. Someone? Where's that slain or something? Oh, that was too fast. Oh my god. Who am I playing? Oh, also. Easy. Oh gosh. Oh, where are you going? He's winning. I'm dead. Oh, touched some cars again. Hey, they touched me. Okay. What's up with you, man? You're making some photos for TikTok. Okay, I'm not one annoying you. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you, mate? Where is it? 80 milliseconds, that's okay actually. 100 is okay as well. What the hell was that? Oh, chicken wings, sorry. Next. Firebat wants to kick 10x. You again? Let me drink! Come on! Yeah, honey, you like it very much, I know. CarX D.R.O. Come on, move on, move on. 30 seconds running. What's this morning? I got this. What are you up for? Drift and drink, drunk and drift. Drunk and... I can't do it. Man, I had to change the vehicle. Oh, perfect, man. Well, I'm crashing into you, huh? Aren't you? I think we have to do the original, man. The OG earplugs. God the hell. Let's keep on moving. Ah, finally beer. Sorry, I was close to for medicine. Oh, if it's tickling in the nose and you're laughing already, you know what's going on. And the beer's still in your mouth. Oh, what should you want to do? Laughing. Annoy yourself. Hello? That's normally an original drifting stuff. What happened? Oh. Can't get enough. Hold on a second, there's something coming up. Making a replay. Oh, exactly. That's the remote, man. Yeah, it's just us. Nobody else. Let's cheat a little bit. Oh, where are you going? Oh my gosh. Try to find you, son. I know, this car is not good. He already beats me, man. My power is on. Luckily, I won. Should I bring another car? Oh, come on, guys. Oh, no, 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 I don't want to hit you. It's red, it's still red. Oh, gosh. I hate this game. Seriously? Alright, here we go. The right direction. Striche oder wie? Biggest problem is the high speed on that vehicle. I think it's a Chinese car, right? Yeah. Parts from Moon. Oh, careful. Oh man, some phony guy, man. Has not even a name. I mean, the Belgian guy called Belgian. Ah, that's original. Nice one. Let's do this again. Major damage, or what was his name? Thank you so much. Beer, beer, beer. To me. Cheers up, Patrick. Ow! Is he angry or something?
I never played the mini games before. I only drift.
I mean, look at this guy in the internet. Oh, not you again. Hey, come on, I just get beside. I'm already still being angry. That looks so great. Can I join? I never played the mini games before. I only drift. 15 to 16. Yes, you can. Hold on a second. How can I handle that? Can we invite here in the game? I don't know. But I'm trying after that. Bit annoying loud here. Dang. And the engine says goodbye. Got your ass, y'all. Oh shit! Oh, I didn't. Okay. I stay here. No, I stay here. Okay, let's see. Invite. Ugh, what the hell's that? Bit annoying here, eh? Oh my god! Da schaust mal nicht einmal hin! How to invite? You got the players. Press L. Okay, can't. 16 to 16. Damn it! Let's search another place. Bye bye, guys. Free money up your ass. Need the XP, y'all. So that was a 28 minute. Just only 2.5. Okay. Oh, come on. That was a session. I think that was the 264 or something. Did a 8K in 25 minutes or 20 minutes, something like that. What the hell happened? You're 36. You're old. Yeah. What was that with the t-shirt she was saying? Okay. Let's search another car and then go online and then invite. Alright. A car. A car, you know what I mean? Vehicle. Yes. My brain is a little bit. Vodka cola? No, I'm talking to myself. Unbelievable. Sounds good. Maybe. See, that's exactly the same car. And I tried actually this day. I think it was for 9 hours or something. Playing actually this online with the same car in here. Oh, that was yesterday. That's a different version. I'm on with this car. Alrighty, go. What? Let's invite him. Let's find something he made. You know, that is but the best actually you can gain. Money? No, come on. I just did in 20 minutes 8K. Why I just was get 2.5? Okay, I'm not was into it actually. Let's listen to him. I'm using that other one. You what? Subaru? You don't like that? Okay. So get away with the impressor or something? Impressor. How in Germany we maybe say that. So I should change that vehicle to something else, right? Takes a little while. Think I have time to grab me some beer. Hold on. So this car getting away, right?
Falcon 2.
Already I'm standing in front of the fridge.
RC.
Here we go. Was stinkt denn hier so? Das ist so Hühnchen oder so. Oh. Huh? Falcon 2 RZ. So I should play the RX-7, you mean? Instead of actually the Impressor? Subaru. No, I'm confused. Oh, this is never getting together somehow. Kommunikation. I'm using the Falcon. Ah, here we go. What was that? F3S. Yeah, there's types out there. And I can't show you because I have... I actually have the wrong save on here. No, hold on. I'm on the wrong actually account. That's what I'm trying to say.
Right.
Right.
Go right.
Go right.
FC3S.
Go right. Oh, okay. No, okay. Right is spended. Oh my god. I know. Oh yeah, it calls RZ. I'm so sorry. It's actually an FC3S. So you using this one. Okay, I can have that car right now. Okay, good. I think I got it. I'm a very slow guy, you know. Very slow one. What happened? Wasn't me. 100%. Forget it. I hate that. Never get to actually an online mode where it actually says 100, 120, 90, or 110. Or you remember and change your tire work then. But these tire work on the right side, you see actually, right? Here we go, they're 90s. Burn off tires, better say. After actually you just wasn't here, go back to your car and change your vehicle tires, man. I'm always forgetting them, especially on the other account. There's actually these vehicle tires. You can burn off them. That's the 90%. You have to use them in this section. Mostly I do the street tires, not the drift tires, right? Or the super drift tires, super slicks, or whatever you want to talk about that. Alright. Eagle fucked up. Ooh. Loud beast. Oh, that's the racing, right? Oh, now I got it. I have a race type as well. The time attacking stuff. You try to invite him, goddammit, he's waiting. And I already have to go to the toilet, man. Ah! Exactly. 8:16. Yeah, no, done. Fuck. I want to have them all on. Okay, here we go. There is one waiting. Frankie. I'm on, Frankie. Now I got you in. So go in, right? I'm pressing the L3 button or something.
I am joining.
Nobody heard that, right? Where are my coins? Did I shoot them all already? No, but seriously. What the hell, Gabelmac? Oh, crazy. There's a ghosty in there, but that's not him, right? It is this guy! I try to invite you, man! Oh, alright, let me just have a drink. Drinking? Not toddling? Break. Can't break. I'm drinking, breaking. Can't. Okay, I'm off. Just let it roll. It's not Frankie, man. That's weird. Alright, invite him. Do something. No, not flipping. Not yet. Did you just doing this done like you just... Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did. Oh, he positioned like I was just... That was close. Oh, is that a gay meeting or something? I love that. No, I mean the meeting. No, what the hell happened? 100 miles right now in my car. I'm just certified. That's all. Cheers up. Were you scared? No. Never actually had that, you know, in the CarX anyway before. I'm happy. Very happy. Two cars, one track, and there's just only the internet that really... Oh, what the hell is flying? Where do you come from? It's so cold out there. Yeah, it's because I'm doing since 2 days actually chicken wings, right? Maybe. But it's not that ordinary. What's that fruit fly, right? The normal fly, the small fly. So maybe just surviving 3 days and then dead. Who was that behind me? Yeah? No, I'm confused. Oh, still there's turbo or something, right? Oh, look at his Lamborghini. Hottie, huh? Alright. On my way. And we drop. Are you okay with actually having daylight? Oh, where I'm going? Oh my gosh! Where are you going, dude? Oh my gosh! Okay, don't make points here. Where are you going, mate? The back entrance, eh? Typical England. Of the back entrance. Just kidding. Dude. You know, there's something else we have to do. Okay, whatever. Everything's good. Oh, what happened? Think your car just got loosey or something? There's some screws are loosey. Are we doing that? What's that?
I got lost, LOL.
Was heißt denn Parodie? Parody. Yeah, it's kind of... Hold on. What's it calling? Super race or super... race or... Super fast, here we go.
Search for Super Fast, it's a movie. You will laugh a lot.
Oh, I hate this word. No, I don't. Oh, you saw it. Oh, right. Okay. All right. Yeah. You reached the age of myself as well, right? Okay, let's try again, but on another track, and I'll give you a little more chance. Maybe you're more into it.
Very good movie.
Yeah. Justin one fan number one, right? It's stupid. The beginning is perfect. That's kind of the Fast and the Furious 1, 2, and 3, right? Fast and the Furious, Fast and the Furious, Fast and the Furious. Let's go London. London? Huh? London? Hold on. London.
Undrift the line
sorry.
everyone does.
London, say. Wow, he did already more points than myself. Respect, dude.
Petersburg.
Okay, London, he say. How's it working? Here we go. No, 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 no. Quit, please. Quit. No, I'm in the limbo here right now. I say no. I can't stop this one. I'm sorry. I tried actually to go that to the maps. Oh, fucking hell. St. Petersburg, you mean? Why is it London for you? It's Russian, dude.
Is it? Alexander Russian dude.
Yeah, it's Alexandra place.
Sorry, bro. I
St.
thought
Petersburg.
it was London,
Dude. You thought that's
LOL.
London?
My bad.
Oh my god, dude. I know London. There's no space. There's no space, like, actually on oh my...
Hey ha ha ha.
I'm very sad now. You just say Russian is London? Alexander place? I mean, the St. Petersburg is... Come on, dude! You know there's war out there! Oh no, actually that's not funny. Sorry for that one, with the war stuff. Dude!
The disrespect.
Charles will hate you! His prostata's just exploding already twice! Again! Nah, everything's good, man. You're from Ireland, man. Everything's good. I understand you. This is not funny, right? This is not funny. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Here we go. Here we go. Is these option off? Yeah, finally. Okay. What was it again? Here we go. You say St. Petersburg. Here we go. There it is. London? I can't believe this. Is he gone? Yeah. Oh, he's out. That's why I couldn't invite you. Hold on. Then I'm doing it. Sorry for that. You can actually do that in Drift Racing Online multiplayer, whatever we are in. You still can change that. I need only actually some people to saying, okay, yes, I'm agreeing.
During games.
Pressing D-pad stuff as you doing inviting or just get invited actually from me all the times by this clipping or drift point stuff, you know. But maybe you don't have.
Change cars also during games.
Because every controller is different, right? This is my controller system, what I have on. Hold on.
I never knew you could.
So you can actually make your own setup for your controller, right? And so this button here right now says actually you can change actually weather condition or the sunlight, or better say 16 o'clock to 18 o'clock, 20 o'clock, 22 o'clock, or the morning time, cloudy fog and all this stuff, right? So you have to put it on maybe on the... Maybe it's not... I don't know, I was doing that before I'm playing... Yeah, that's my third time I'm playing this game, so... Just go to the controller, you know, setup. Maybe you don't have it, that's the point. You only can say yes or confirm to some race, you know. Okay, let's go to St. Petersburg. I know, I'm sorry. Really had to do that, man. That vehicle. I don't want to have this vehicle in St. Petersburg. More like an escape car, son. Excuse me. Dude, the vodka is off. Shoot. Oh, that's a noisy car, right? Oh. Did you just say something? Okay, I got one. Looks homo, man. I am not. Okay, St. Petersburg. Let's see. St. Petersburg. Let's go. Nihongo desu ka? Oh gosh, there's a lot of people, goddammit. Shoot. Why is it the same room, man? I just want to try to do my own room, right? Like this one. St. Petersburg, Dev Nation, blah blah blah. I can't do. This is so fucked up, man. Okay, let's see.
This is best map.
Oh, finally the music died. This is the best map. Are you really? Sure? Never know you could. Oh, yeah, you're... I'm sorry, I'm very loud on the microphone, can it be? Ah, crying loud out. I hear myself in the background like echoes. Here we go, there's something. Jason. 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 Hiya! Jason. Okay, Jason. Jason. If you don't want to get the white up. Jason! Sorry. I'm going to the toilet, be right back. Thank you very much for watching a little while. And, you know, playing each other. Ow! Oh, man. Oh, fuck, you know that? You get actually something like electricity on your fingers? Oh, hell no. I was on the fucking light system. I touched it. Oh my god. That was volty. Shoot! Oh my god, that hurt. Still sitting on toilet. Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh, damn it, I'm run out of toilet paper, dude. No. Man, I already see the spark. Dude. Must be the rum, the vodka and gosh, is that loud? Cold or something. Cleaning the hands. What the hell was that? Oh, just farted. Oh, alright. Oh, da ist die Karre schon wieder laut. Schon gespielt oder was, du Arsch? Oh my god, we're running out of beer, man. No way. Your buddy is waiting, man. I know, I'm sorry. I'm old. And he's old as well, maybe. You know what I'm talking then about. The busy stuff. Nah, I'm not watching porn. What the hell was that again? He was actually doing nothing anymore. She's stunned. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Ohayo, Kanada! Dude, that Betsy takes long actually to left and right cornering. Oh, he's beating you. Maybe. Parking Luffy! Bye-bye. I died. Fusion! Was that Dragon Ball Z or something? Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, this car is very lazy. Like myself. Easy now, easy. Oh, come on, dude. Where I wanna go, goddammit? Noisy vehicle. And that music, right? Hold on. Need to get this off. Here we go.
My showing.
Huh? My wine ain't showing. No, really, no, it is. Is it some pervert or something? Restricted stuff? You can see mine, right? Oh, that weather condition. Why? Is it a pervert one or something? Or a brutal one? Oh, he's a nut guy.
Follow me do this line. Yeah.
And do this line. Okay, hold on. Engine on! Shit, how can I follow you like that? Oh my gosh. Man, I was close to drink some beer and my cigarette burns by itself. Okay, hold on, I can do it at the same time. Drinking beer. Annoying guy. I know where he is, no problem. Normal stock, I'm so sorry. Oh, he was going left, right. God damn it. And here we go. Why are we doing this? I don't get it. Sir. I don't understand that term. Oh, look at that. At 65. 999. I am a genius. The second time this day, in the last 1.5 hours, I get a 999. I'm a joke, right? Yeah, I am. Okay, I don't understand why I should drive this. He's boss or something? Yep. You know, I'm lonely all the time, so... Do it yourself. A, B, C, O, look it. Hello, hello, yeah, see you. No problem. But still interested about you say actually your vinyl you robbed is not seeable. That's weird. What happened? You know, I'm idling around and want to drink a little beer. I don't understand why I have to follow you, man. She's up. Oh, there's still actually cola in these Orangeliqour. Oh gosh, no. Don't ruin yourself, man.
It is just a line, everybody drifts here in this map.
It's just a line, everyone drifts here in the map. Oh, okay.
it does be 5 or 6 cars line by line drifting. It does be so cool. Side by side.
Yeah.
Thoughts on fun road where you car gets on fire.
Even a Need for Speed Most Wanted, actually, there was a cargo race I just did with the Supra. R.I.P. DefRekka, actually, on YouTube. I can show that up for you, but I have to upload that. That was on Xbox, actually. I just did that, right? On the Most Wanted, the young one, of course, before Carbon was coming out. And that was actually all the time, these cargo session and Most Wanted, the Blacklist stuff, you know, this game on Need for Speed. So that was very fun. So I do what I want to do, you know, so... Okay. So you was already online in here. I thought you never was online in here. You'll get invited or something, you tell me. You have an annoying car, man! Your engine? Yeah. So question, why is your Rob not online? Why is it not showable in here? Hey, hold on, is that... Why are you not downloading actually my vinyl? Ah, makes a sound right, huh? This is the map I play. Oh, right. So you're consuming everyone actually... Okay, no, okay, gotcha. Cheers up, mate. Let's go.
Not sure, it is the one original with the save I downloaded from you.
It's from December, 8 December, yeah.
It is
oh. Neat stuff made. Oh, hello! Finisher! Car fatality! I can't speak that even out. Cartality! Finish him! Cartality! Oh, come on! Oh. Hold on. Bye-bye! Oh, shit! Explosion! Hurry up, mate! There we go! It's a stupid sheep, man! Oh, okay. Clipping points. I'm coming! Oh my god! These are the best way to say the same. Yahtzee! Oh my god! I'm stuck in a house. Oh my god. Ouch! Flower. Hot. Raped! Left and right, one right. Oh my god! Where you bring the car, man? It's a Mercedes 4 AMG. 4matic. Humping some vehicle. In the air. Oh my gosh. What? Why? Oh my god, it parks by itself perfectly! Oh my god! This is stupid! Hello? Why are you doing this? Oh, some Russian are in here. It's again. Oh, close park very well, actually. I wish there was actually points for that. Alright. Deal with something. Oh gosh! Shit, sorry. Oh man, I pay for the door. Crap. What the hell? That looks awesome. Hey dude, what's going on? Having some package for me or something's going on here. No? Alright. Race old man. Beating should be good if you're drinking nearby beer. Do that one. R.E. What's R.E. meaning? Redirect, re-enter, what's that doing? Oh, really? Oh, come on, dude, that's boring.
Let us do that again.
Okay. Oh, hell. New plugs. Oh, fucked it up. A long vehicle. Oh, that's gonna be a close one. Oh, he won. Look at that. 35 to 77. 34, 7 to 1. Nice one. Yeah, man, that car.
Hey, ha ha ha.
You get a lot of points and XPs while following some lines. Did you just laugh? What the hell? Tell you later. Genotomachio, man, Mazio? Mazio. Where's my body, goddammit? It's okay, bro. No issues. Seriously? Your issues? Komarimasu. Hello. I missed one.
Wow.
Shh. Enjoy the silence.
Silent. I have no fart.
Flat out.
If in doubt.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Shit, what happened? Oh, I hate this camera action stuff. That was scary. Like the folks in here as well. Zombie Sue. It's a Zombie Sue. Saturday night! Oh, Saturday Night Live. If in doubt. Somebody fled out. You wanna do it again? Yes, you wanna do. You should drift, huh? Okay. What the fuck just happened? Oh my gosh! Wrong road, mate. I was drinking, man. Yeah. Stupid liquor. Let him win. This is unfair. I was crashed first in the light post, then I crashed actually to the wrong side on left side. Take my nip actually away from that liquor. Okay, let's go to drift. I swore on this one. Oh my god, there's a lot of one. Okay. No company right now. Not yet. Yeah, plus disturbing, right? Komarimasu! Bye! Realitätsnah oder so. Ouch. 1988. 1 year old. No, hold on. 11 months old. Very look at that drift A, right? Before we just did the clipping point.
What to do.
That was the wrong one. Damn it, you fucked it up. He didn't actually agree. Okay. Was it B? Was it A? Was it... Oh gosh, somebody... Damn. Open up some beer. Cheers on. Oh my god, who the hell is that? Having a dot and a pro in it. What? Okay, you're not my friend. Try to beat you into no camera view. See if I can do. Dealing this, alright. Honestly. Oh, that was fucked up. Here we go. Yay, you won. 22, 1, 800. What the hell is that number at, man? 22188. Alright, I'm fascinated about that one. And you explain what to do. Oh, sir, what? Cheers up, come on. I'm confused. Oh, man. At the same time drinking, that makes no fun. Where's the whole bag? Come up there. Wow. Already get a 16? 20? Oh my god. The same. You're first. Oh shit, man. Try to drift in the same time into Nori and doing drinking beer. Can you do? I wish so much actually I have my camera here right now. But I'm looking so silly ass wide open right now. Even that dude, man. Hold on. This is not okay. Advanced settings. Camera video settings. Flipping. Guy of a mag. Here we go. Yay. Trying to drift, right? Enhancement gear away. Asks. And you explaining what to do? I'm a Paisika Sodic sign, I'm not sure you. Oh, hello? Oh, come on! Hold on, Patrick. Second, James! Some otherwise. Drifter. Man, my English sucks today. Hey, you won! How? Oh, that happened? Okay, invite again. I mean, I only can do... Okay. Let's do 4 persons, let's see. What's that? Oh, crampy fart. He watched you, right? Do you watch him? No. Hold on. How's it working? You know, you open up another one. Okay. Going to your side. It's getting confusing now. And then you just have these subscribers there. Are you all the time so slow? But he's not live. He's not live streaming. Oh. Why not? Huh? Why not? Oh my god, look at that play card. CarX D.R.O online with a like button. Goes to 420. Man, he's pro, man. I thought you live. Oh shoot. That was a perfect just told you. I'm so sorry, I thought actually you live. Oh, that's weird. I'm still on 700. What's wrong with the vehicle, mate? Maybe you're playing internet, or that's why you're fooling around. I thought actually you're live streaming. Aww. Yeah, better things to do. He's coming close, 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 close. The internet hanging closer, closer. Closer. Oh my gosh.
No, bro, I am just chilling today.
What happened to the live chat? Here we go.
Sue, you checked my Meet Your Maker game stream today. think I have already my 4RD live stream today. Buy chicken wings and so. Not important. I always check to see if you're live when I am chilling, bro. I like watching.
Okay.
Tuesday I ended up Fallout 4 on Platinum. Awesome game.
What's that? You checking up my live streams? That's weird. That is the button following subscribe, you know. Oh yeah, I know that buttons. So all the times know what you're doing. What the hell happened the last days? Actually, I was so lonely. Actually, in the live streams on Mortal Kombat and CarX. God damn it! Nobody just watched there. Alright, whatever. Just kidding. I'm just afraid about the work. It starts actually at Monday, and we're not seeing us again. You know, it's just like 200 days I have to work nonsensely. Maybe in the night time we can meet, but I'm not sure about that one. You know, and that pisses me a bit off. Work and construction work starts all over again. You bugs. Hello? Oh, here we go. Oh my god. Yeah. Ouch. Ingenious dogs. Yeah.
Yahoo.co.jp erased me, so Google is gone and YouTube. Unfortunately, man, they changed the terms for foreigners in Japan. So
that's the problem, dude. Grab my beer, goddammit. Why is it standing over there? Ah, we got the keyboard typing right. Yep.
Devastating. Lost for 2 years my DefRekka account on PsN after 3 years too. 800 games plus. $8K money gone. Damn. So I buy and try all games to do on disc.
Yeah. Let's go, right?
Major.
Yeah. I was get hacked away. That's okay, you know, after so long time. But come on, 13 years since 2008, man. My first account was DjVolgin. Get hacked. Just actually get away because the army time. That's okay. The same on YouTube. DjVolgin was my first account. And DefRekka came on. Oh well, fuck it up. And this month, actually this month, 10 years now in this apartment. Yeehaw! Get away, huh? It's your life on that account? No, it's actually DjVolgin now, since 1.5 years. 1.25 years something, not a 1.5. Try to bulk of them. Let's go. Don't sorrow around. Sorrow. Life stings. Maybe. Oh gosh! Oh my god! Sorry. I watched the left side. I saw your car just get bumped each other. I was looking good. The ass dipper. Hyper. Ass hyper. Hyper. I can't. My English sucks. Oh my god, what kind of a car is that? Camaro SS? Oh, you won again? What the fuck? You just did the guitar work. Oh my god. I saw that once, I couldn't believe. It looks nasty, man. Is that a Nissan? It's kind of a Nissan, right? It's not this Corvette. No, it's a Camaro SS. Okay, I got it. It's just the mirrors are just a little different. Oh my gosh. What's wrong, man? Need some invite, huh? Gotcha, mate. Wanna come with us? Time to space it out, mate. Nope, you don't want. Fucking good ones. My voice is so loud. Shit. Sorry for that one. You think he's not coming up with us, right? No, not really. Engine? Oops. Intinori is crazy to do. Where's that guy? Let's see. Nighttime. Nighttime, dude. Oh no. Here we go. You genius or something? Because we are 3 persons in here, that's why. But actually we're more. Nobody disagreed. I'm the guy with 30 milliseconds. I can't believe that. Can actually my car shut up? Here we go. Change cars? Let me know. Oh crap. Oh, this Corvette. Wow, hey! Hello? If you want to change cars, let me know. so it's you. What the fuck you doing, mate? You're not a mate, man. On this food, y'all. Good plate, y'all. Oh my god, my cigarette just firing. You fucked up. Is it because it's night? I'm here. Goodbye. Hello. James is coming. Closer. Closer. And he's there. I think. What the hell is that? I can do that. No, we don't. Oh yeah, the timed one. Let's do this one, mate. Just time. Go on. Oh my gosh. No. Here we go. V6 versus V10. Oh my gosh, he rapes me. Nice, nice, nice. Dang, that was close. I like it. Okay. Let's be LOL on this one again. Really? Ouch. Good. Thanks. Nice opponent, definitely. How many Persians we are? 3 Persians. Is he really willing to do this? Let's see. Not sure about that one, but... Sorry. I think after this one I need to get a target PR. Yay! I'm drinking the second one. Where's my first beer? Ugh, that's already in here. Even colder. No, he don't want to play with us. He's a diva or something. Even okay, I have track actually time. Listen to this one. Out. Oh my shitness. Okay, I don't know if you just see that, but I just did that yesterday I think. I just researching for the heads on the tequila, and by an accident on Meet You Makers I just did this one. I'm so sorry, and I was so gay. Enjoy. My god. Drifting, right? Yeah. Oh. Goodbye, folks. Oh yeah! Single Larry into the finish line. That's cool. So there. It's your turn. But I'm going to toilet. I'm peeing off. Cleaning off the glass. Go in. Go in. Cold water, okay, I don't like that. Woodcut facility. to watch maybe tomorrow in the morning. The company was saying actually they're proving this and just boiling this out on that, what's it calling maybe? The R.I.P. Oh man, my English sucks for that one. It's the same about this, you know, English about construction work. My English sucks for that. Construction work tools and all this stuff. Be right back, dude. I'm on toilet, sorry. No. My microphone's still on? Well, I'm not sure. I'm crying so much into it. Music is loud, the car is loud. I hear myself not anymore. We should change track. He likes all the times these London track. Love it. What the hell is wrong, mate? London, he says. Ever saw Great Britain? This is not fair. This is really fucked up. Just kidding. He maybe isn't from Ireland or something. Ireland? Irland? How you saying? Speaking this out? Sorry. We in Germany we say Irland. Also Irland. Irish, I mean. But you know, he's not Irish even. But he's Australian. From Alaska, we never know. How could you just the same? St. Petersburg is London. And you just you playing this already so much. Oh dude. It's just like I'm lost or something, ordering me shoes or something and have a 26 instead of a 31. I'm sorry, I'm just making jokes over you. I'm sorry, I don't want to actually do this. That's why I have no friends. Alright. Oh, we have 7 peoples in the map. I think we both actually over 300k. Lovely. Oh my god, these other guys with 900 milliseconds. Are you kidding me? You're definitely out of the space of Earth. You're from Moon, right? Okay, that guy has 141 limitless. Okay, hello. What a rabel. What's that calling? You waiting for something or what's going on? Friend request. Oh! Oh, we didn't, right? Nah. DjVolgin we did. I'm sorry, mate. Of course. I totally forgot. Yeah, but that's why I don't see actually your nudity or something on your car. Want to create a list? Yes, why not? No. Damnation for real. There we go. Why you skipped? Oh shit, what happened? Did I skip the friendship as well? Or it's just the list that we have? Hold on. Watching the friend list. Friend list says he is online. Okay, he's lost online for 5 days? You just playing with me, right? Huh? I'm confused. Oh, he's gone. And I think he wants to say, okay, goodbye. Okay, I'm gone as well. 49 minutes? Only a 3k? Oh, come on. And we did a lot. Yeah, we did. I gotta bounce, bro. Gonna be grab food. Okay, oh, here we go.
Gotcha. I gotta appear offline, bro. Because people spam my messages in PSN because of my YouTube channel. Meet you only at weekends then. Bye, was fun DA night. Thanks for got a friend like you. Gotcha, bro. Speak then, enjoyed the sesh.
Yeah, I
See
do.
ya.
Arigato domo. Mata. Oh, hell. There's a lot actually you can bring with, but he's actually gone. No. I'm confused. This girl, you know, she's always writing you. What's wrong with her? Hero, yeah. What? A 3K? I could do better actually. By 45 minutes, something like this. Okay. Let's do a 400 to 600k. 600 XP, I mean. Okay. Oh, that will be wonderful. Oh shit. Reaching level 30 actually in no times. Oh, cheers up, mate. Here we go. What the hell are you looking at? Exactly. Oh, my nose sucks. My cigarette, goddammit. It's got half centimeter, it burns in my mouth. Oh shit. Ordinary Saturday. Something I need to change another vehicle, goddammit. Really? Say London? I can't get out of it this mate. What, that was a 1 minute 15? Already got a 400 XP, dude. Single player makes more points sometimes, but it's sometimes the XPs on online. I was seriously on 20 minutes or something by 8k on the stupid XP, and I have proof on pictures on PlayStation. So sometimes they are different. I'm not sure what's going on with this shit. Did a lot together. Just get actually grained at 3k. Close to 4. But what the hell was that? What's wrong with the vehicle, mate? Okay, that's the first part. Depends on good. Ship tuning or something. What are you doing? Okay. So you're joking to the game. That's kind of bullshit. That's correct. Oh hell. Okay, that's the part. Go forward, backward, forward, forward, backward. Okay, 0. Come on, 43. Nope. Oh, so close. I hate the new UI system. Unit intelligence shitness. Oh, here we go. We got it. Oh, finally. Thank you. Thanks the mother of the hell. There's your stiffness. I can hear myself actually in the background again. My ears are bleeding. Hold on. Stupid earplugs. Pump it up, mate.
URL. Listening now.
Oh gosh! Drift tires? Are you pro something? This is illegal, man. 3.6. That vehicle needs more to pump up. Oh my gosh, there's 1,222. I'm not sure about that one. 60. What the hell was that in your mind? Okay, there's a 087. Actually, it's a fast car. Wanna get sloppy or something, this crack. Should make the horsepower, right? 087. Did he watch me the last time on Mortal Kombat, the last time we meet? Yeah. I was get bunkered or something actually in Mortal Kombat on the story mode. Hey, come on, what the hell? I was very fucking sad and very angry in this time. Sorry, mixing day and time together. It's day. He did. Decide. Wanna have a faster car now, or are you actually okay with it? Let's get it somehow a little faster. You little Nazi. I am not. 88, 191. It's the same crack. You say faster, right? There we go. Okay, now that firm comes up. What is this? Transmission train. It's kind of the gearbox meets actually but if I'm going less, it's sloppier but more powerful, right? No. Negative shit. Okay, let's see. Lesser but faster. Okay. Oh, that works. We got that. Perv. Yes. Excuse me. The chicken wings are pumping in. Alright, gengi desu. Ganbarimasu. Negative side of these icy stuff. Oh, I need to cheers up by myself. Cheers up, mate. Stand hugger dich, bro. Ugh. Running out of cigarettes, you know that. What the hell are you looking at? Bitter. Should get a nice bra on. Definitely. Very complicated to open up. That's why she did. Ganbatte! there. Movable. Ubisoft sign or something on your door handle. It's actually the review stuff. Nice one. Your suspension works very well. Let's do a drag, man. Yep. At night time? Come on. Pick up the tires. Oh, what the hell? 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I mean, 2 minutes now. Yeah, come all over the place. Boss. That, you know, this, I have to say, never found actually, even the 270 XP, the setup for actually the suspension is perfect. Nice one. It did a great job for sure, mate. Thinking, doing, feeling, getting something input in my brain, getting outside, and here we go. Pump, 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 pump. What was that, man? Stop that. Cheers out, can find that rather soon, so let's go put up the next screen. Stop music, my man. Hello! But the moon, man. I mean, there's something, but it's blown up. I'm confused. Calm down, little bit. Calm down. Yahtzee! Where the hell I am? Oh, there I am. Some lights? No? Oh, you're doing the drag. There we go. Get on. Shall do that. It's on the anti-reverse stuff you can do fast. The music is pumping good in. Fly away, the rock waters, yetters? Yetter. Oh man, I just want to do Mortal Kombat, dude. Nope. Until my cigarettes went off, and then we go Mortal Kombat with only beer. Next time. Yes, hi. You do. Nice setup. Wow. 13K. I have to say, not bad. Sitting on the toilet now. Yes? Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm not getting informed about this crack. Oh, dang! A beard. Oh, that's brush teeth, goddammit. What a spunky life. What the hell? I just cleaned that today in the morning. Diese Kalkflecken immer. Oh, Louise. Talk about it. Okay. Good size, oder? Are you cleaning at the same time when I'm just brushing your teeth? What the hell, mate? As a construction worker, I wish sometimes, somehow, give me a gun and a bullet and shoot myself, yeah, I know. But having 4 arms, well, you don't have a second heart. That's the fail. Let's grab some beer. You know where the cigarettes are. You wanna do the vodka with cola? Alright, I'm on. Here the vodka is coming. Let's swallow that orange liquor. God damn it. Sup, boss? Itch me, son. acting right now. Hey, this carp and I ordered actually since 2 weeks. Getting Lucy by herself. That's weird. Ashtray is full, mate. Is somebody watching? Nope. Good. Just wondered myself, is something with my 4 watches or something. Huh. Microphone seriously loud, sorry. Whoa, the music, dude. That's awesome. No, it's okay. Okay. That's cool. He does a great job, mate. That is kind of a new Need for Speed that should be coming up. No. A story mode on CarX D.R.O. They should pump it up for the story mode actually coming in. And seeing the best drifters actually. Kind of Takeshi Sato or something coming up. And they're pumping up in corners like actually real, but they're not actually. Going with that music, man. I will be drilled as well. He makes great music. Come on. That is my style. I just did and DjVolgin style. Try to do, of course, on Ejay and Magic Music Maker, but couldn't even reach that level. But that is so good. Now Christopher is starting up to dreaming. Shut up, goddammit. He's on a drill. Fetish or something you just want to do on? I hate you, mate. You downloaded? Oh my god, you sold that car by yourself. Oh my gosh. What just happened? Okay, that is Australia, right? Okay, there's another flag. That's not happening in here. There's no New Zealand. No, there's New Zealand. That's New Zealand, right? That's Australia. Okay, hold on. There are 4 stars? What is the other one then? Why is there a smaller star and then a bigger... There's not even a star. Hey. Oh my gosh, my brain is just... Peru, blah blah blah, Cuba. They say Cuba all the time for that, right? Well, why is there a smaller star in that first... They're not even stars. Is that even legal? Oh gosh. Let's see. Somebody's watching here? What kind of a flag is this? Mostly they say, what the hell is that anyway? I just give you a little intense. It's South America somewhere. And they're very hot girls. They are acting like boys actually, but what the hell is this flag? Alaska? Maybe it is Czechoslovakia you never heard before? Or is it China? This is so bullshit. Okay, that is seriously weird. That's New Zealand for me, and that's Australia, right? Weird. Definitely weird. I forgot, but I know. If I see, then I know, but I forgot what kind of country that is. This is a small country. Trying to live in peace. Assholes. Okay. Get real. Don't wanna do? Arigato. Proof that the shit, right? Nope. It's because the wings. The wings. this one. Right? Where's this sloppy German, you know, flag is going on with? I have no idea, dude. Oof. I'm not fucking around with this, right? Even I hate the politics. Alright. Why not turning? Oh my god. No. Now you got it. Maybe another state. Didn't do that in the American flag as well, right? Let's see if it's gonna be good. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Oh my gosh, I just did something on the back. Oh, I totally forgot that one. Oh my gosh, I fucking up. The lazy one. The lazy one. Wow. A bit gay. How can it be? You say he got some UDD stuff, right? I'm not sure what's going on with him about that one. Poor. Oh, wow. Oh, he downloaded it, right? As a raw. That's what maybe. Now I'm talking to myself again. Okay, that's fucked up. That's the data. I'm a bit into Mortal Kombat. Nope. We played it 2 times last day. I think the last day we just played 4 times. On Friday and Saturday this day. Actually, we played it 2 times. On, excuse me, 2 accounts. Just was testing something and then I found out, oops, I'm on the wrong account. Con isolation. Alright, we have noch nicht refilled. We have to drink that one, right? Disgusting. Cola and Orangeliqour. Okay, here we go. It's 43%. Oh, so many sugar in there. Ugh. Oh, gross, mate. Gambarimasu. Prestige points, dude. Oh, prestige points. Oh my god. They give you that. What? Oh, hell no. Yet anymore. Oh. Oh my god, the fun's still running. I can't believe that. 1948. 45. 453 XP, dude. Nice one. 2 minutes. Yay. I'm ready for actually vodka and cola. Oh gosh, no. Okay, I need to watch actually that girl. That's just too many brings up messages. Oh, holy moly. She's 41. Goodbye. What's wrong, man? You flattered? Let's see. AI created. I'm not sure about that one. You know what's really turning me on? Is getting naked and stand in front of you and okay. Willst du mich noch? Nein. Da ich dir so einen. Was zum Teufel ist los? Sie Schütze, weil das kann nicht sein. Nee. Das ist nicht richtig. Und dann nur ein Bild, weißt du? Das stimmt doch nicht. Ja, okay. Sie hatte schon 2 Kinder und sie ist. Ich verstehe dich. Sie ist keine Deutsche, oder? Rette mich. Oh. Das sah so tschechisch oder russisch aus. Was ist los mit dir? Du bist nicht richtig in der russischen Mafia, oder? Darüber sollten wir nochmal nachdenken. Vielleicht sollte ich mal darüber nachdenken, warum das CarX Drift Racing heißt und nicht CarX Drift Racing Online 2017. The fucking next non-sad vehicle. Landed by the UK. Ich glaube, da ist was schief gelaufen. Warte schnell. I hate to actually download my own vinyl ROPs and all this stuff to go somewhere else with it. Wow, looks good. What's with the Japanese again? Oh hell no. Don't even try to do this again. The music is honking a bit. What the fuck? What's that? You have no underwear actually taken on your life, or just? Oh, she's touching actually that. Okay, that is hot. Okay, let's see. Touching. Oh my god. Okay. And this way. Oh, that looks good. She's with the shark. I'm on the shit, dude. Oh, well, the shark is a little bit aggressive. But she likes to touch him, especially on the lungs. That looks dangerous. I love it. Okay. Bend it, huh? Spend a lot of time. God. It's like you're touching a lion. And he hates his hair right now today. Cause she's a little bit pissed off. And then the fat lion comes over and says, I don't have sex, give me some food. And seeing actually that girl touching actually her. What will do the male on her? Food. Meow. Is there a fight coming up between each one of the lions? I'm not sure who's friend and not friendly anymore. What the hell was that anyway? Somebody was touching my bag. What is some human? I am ready. Yeah, get yourself, you sucker, you lying Papa. I already get 30 puppets from you. I don't know. They're going crazy. Alright. You acting childish, man. Was hat immer er gesagt? Oh, meine Fresse, keine Ahnung mehr. Flattered out about his shirt or something. Looking Canadian. I'm not sure. My microphone's still on? Oh, please, let me know. Is it on or off? Let's say it's online. Okay, good. Testing it by myself. Alright. Was ist da denn los? Junger Mann. Der Wind geht. I can't do that right now. First cola, then vodka, you mother tucker. If you're pumping in vodka first in the glass, it gets the bubble away. Okay, 65% of cola. Not 50-50, not actually close to 90 and 10% vodka. 65 on cola and 35. Here we go. That's why I was dripping before. And a cube of ice. Oh, that was close. Oh my god, that's a 1%? That's more like 13%. Chidop campaign, Australia salute. That's awesome. That's good. That's perfect. That's good. So James say goodbye, right? Yeah. He was hungry. Tomorrow I run out of cigarettes, so my live stream tomorrow is 0. Maybe I'm checking Meteor Makers out, creating a map or something, but that's it. Life is getting shit again. Yeah, but you get training your body system, that's definitely sure. Are you sure about that one? Mine's a bit light in here, goddammit. What the hell are you looking at? Punk. I like to make the jokes. You have everything in here? Oh, this is not fair, dude. Not the fuck fair. Dang. God, I'm mad. Well, that was for 1.5 hours. That was a half hour, man. Actually, extremely to say, close to 40 minutes. James left me. I already miss him. He was a good player. He is, and will. Respect him. He's awesome. Ha, he's cheating a bit, I think. No, he don't. He just likes stuff from you. Look at that. Actually, that make your mother, make your meter, meet your maker. There's a 7 on, right? 0-7 for me. Brr. Why is it not actually on PlayStation? That's weird. Fucked up. Oh my gosh. Who is this? OJ's bad movie reviews. 8 Mecha 8. Okay. For 4 weeks ago? Did I miss something? 4 weeks is a long time, dude. Okay. Tissue, please. Handkerchief. Let's go online. Find a good car and go online again. I know, online makes no point, but somehow it's fun. How James and myself, Patrick, actually found each other? Huh. Good question. Oh. Yeah. That's a good one. Natürlich immer so kurz.頑張ります. Oh my gosh! What is the car trying to do? Even I stopped. God damn it! I had a picture. Cause my cigarette is actually about 1 centimeter. There's smokes in my fucking nose and my throat. Yesterday, talked to Kiefer Sutherland. That was impressive. He said actually 24 is not over yet, but there's actually no outcome. He stopped by. Well, he loved the thematic and hated at the same time to get actually screwed up all the times. And he hated the Great Britain edition. Definitely. It was nice to talk to him. Definitely. Yeah. It's seriously weird, that girl. Touching the lungs of a shark, dude, this is not okay. Go online. Keep on moving, and then let's go Mortal Kombat. I just thinking about the bag with the shark. That's good. To be dislighted or something. Where are you going? So how we can change it? We need to find it first. A long time ago. Hold on. That's this one, right? Okay. Here we go. Want to send a message out of it, or just stay in this? This is layer 1. It changed. Here we go. Maybe just doing yellow. They hate it, man. They will hate it. Okay, closer. Oh, wow. Okay. Somehow orange always works. Alright. Layer 2. It's dark. Okay. Shrink it. Wow, that looks unique. It's so bright and some style of. Like to say you wanna eat that girl. Alright, that's better. Oh, there's no layer 2, right? Layer 3, I mean. Too shiny, seriously, sir. Too shiny. It's not fitting to the car. Maybe. Maybe. It's just the nighttime stuff. Nobody's watching anymore. Unbelievable, right? Let's go online, having some fun. Until I run out of my cigarettes, and I have 4 cigarettes left. Actually 3. Okay, here we go. These blue vouchers for free. I told myself, go to the supermarket in the morning. St. Petersburg? No. Let's do something else. Vodka and cola. San Palizo, 100% CSN. Springston, beloved. Summer Castle Road. Okay. Castle Road. Only one guy. I'm with you, man. I'm with you. I know exactly. I know exactly what it means to gaining 1 million points to get a trophy. I'm with you, dude. I'm with you. Exactly because he's actually a PlayStation dude. I'm on with him. Definitely. Grind up, man. Another guy's coming in. Nice. Undicht. Und ich bin der Uwe. Was ist los? Hm? What's the time so much running out so fast? Ich habe ihn nicht mal gesehen. Du willst mir erklären, der ist PlayStation? Da stimmt was nicht, oder? Nee. Wo ist er denn? Ja, wo ist er denn? Ich brauche mich. Hab ich den blockiert oder was ist da los? Exactly. Where the hell you are? Wo bist du, Junge? Wo ist Uwe? Wie heißt das nochmal? Nicht wo ist Thomas? Ah, wie heißt das Ding nochmal? You have this. Where is yeah, that dude is covering in pictures, right? Where's Walter? Here we go. Where's Walter? That's the point. Where's Walter tonight? Why is this not popping up and playing with me? That's weird. I'm sitting in a toilet and make diarrhea. Have a nice time. There's something coming up in here. Still wasn't taught that, I'm sorry for that one. 5 players online here. I thought actually that guy needed help, but I don't think so, he's pro. He knows best. Oh, come on. Something waiting for you. I'm sorry for that one. Here we go. Ja, da ist ja der Uwe. Uwe! Der Uwe! Da ist er ja! Ja, jetzt bin ich aber verwundert. Jetzt bin ich gleich auch komplett raus schon wieder. Oh mein Gott. I'm on my way, Uwe. Nicht dicht oder was? Das ihr Hund? Ist der bissig? Oh, das war doch ich nicht. Der bissig ist, das ist ja gar nicht mein Hund. Alter, da schon 10.000, Alter. Bin ich langsam nervös. 12 Sekunden noch, Alter. The worst performance ever. 5, 3, 1. You fucked that up. Oh my gosh. Shit. Okay, alright, everything's good. I just feel a little bit depleted. Let's do the A or something down below. Oh, Sternhagel dich, bro. That's the original German beer. Holy crap. 33 kilometers? Miles? Miles. That's asking about daylight. A lot looking better in daylight. Come on. The hell he did that? Okay. Same time. This goes a poor mid, man. Yeah. Wow. Trust this car very much. Respect. Oh, you just did a 9K, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm starting up to losing here in my mind. my gosh. How do you do that? So all these charges gone, or what's going on? Alright. Gotcha, mate. But why he don't have the points like me? I'm confused. Weird. Unverbindlich, Uwe, du bist der Beste. Und ich bin raus. Fertig. Jemand langes Haar. Und da ist das falsche Auto. Let's get this Livestream off. It's boring.